Hi, you guys. My name is Deanna McCoy. Back in December, when I purchased this blueprint to a six-figure online income, I was looking for a way to bring in steady, consistent income to help stabilize our finances. My husband is a general contractor and in construction. That business is completely unpredictable. And I wanted something that was not going to take me away from our family, or if I actually had to go get like a full-time, part-time job outside of the home. Why I was able to purchase this blueprint to a six-figure online income was because it was affordable, no monthly expenses, right? A very low investment, and the community, the mentorship. And what I like the best, well, actually, there are like three things, is the community of like-minded people, um, daily pay, the ability to learn how to earn daily pay, like a minimum of $300 a day. It's like $109,000 a year. And then also a 2-hour workday. So if you are ready, we are getting ready to start a awesome 90-day breakthrough. And we're going to learn so much. Love to see you on the other side.